So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair curling tutorial, just showing you how I like to curl my hair. And this is also a review on the Nancy Best Hair video that I did a few months ago. So it's been 2.5 months, and as you can see, the baby hairs in the closure has just disappeared. It's gone. So this has been happening to me recently, whether it's a wig I've bought or a wig I've made myself. I've noticed like the closure just starts balding in the front. And I don't know if it's me or if it's just the quality of hair that I've been buying, but it's actually not that bad. I didn't even realize it looked like that until I went to go film this video. But why I think it's me is because sometimes, like when I go to work and I just can't be bothered to do my hair, I just tie a scarf up in the front, and I've been wearing it pretty much every single day since I made it. So it could be me, but I will say you can't tell like when it's on your head. So that is the only issue really with the hair. It's just that the hairs are missing in the front. Other than that, the hair is still thick, it's got body, it curls, it straightens, like it's still really good. My advice would just be take care of your closure. Anyways, onto the curling part. You want to section the hair and then take a piece about that big. And then how I do it is I wrap it around and I make sure it's flat against the barrel. Then I leave it on for about 20-25 seconds, and then you get like a really nice ribbon curl. Once you unravel it, just hold it in your hands to cool down a little bit. That helps with how long it stays curly. So the curling iron I'm using is a 1-inch barrel. I got it from Sally's a few years ago and it's by the brand Plugged In. But when I looked on their website, they don't sell it anymore, which is really devastating because I really like this curling iron. But any 1-inch wand with a clamp, no clamp will work and you'll get these same results. And that's pretty much the technique. You just repeat this all over the head. Also in this, you might see where I get a little bit lazy because I start picking bigger sections and it works just fine. Also, please use heat protectant. I forgot, and it's because I always forget. Like whenever I straighten my hair, curl it, whatever, I always forget, which is really bad. That's probably why my closures are balding. So use heat protectant, like any old heat protectant will work. So that is basically it. So I'm gonna stop talking now and I'll be back when the hair is done. So this is it when it's done. It looks not that cute at first, but I will show you the magic towards the end. So what I'm going to do now is hot comb this to keep everything at the top flat. So what you do to make it not look like this is just to simply brush it, and then it just brings it to life a little bit like it looks. I don't even know how to describe it. I don't think this is considered bombshell waves or bombshell curls, but whatever this is, I'm really feeling it. It's giving me kind of like, I don't know, it's giving what they said it's supposed to give. It's just like body and volume, and as you can see, like the hair looks pretty much the same as when I first curled it in my last video. It's shaking, shining, moving, doing what it's supposed to do. Like, I really like this wig, and I've worn it every single day since, so that should show you how much I like it. And this is what it looks like indoors, because the sun and indoors are like, the lighting is completely different. It's just like a lot darker indoors. This is a closer look at it, like on my head. Do you see that? And by the way, you'll see my face for like half a second. I'm camera shy. Yes, I know, camera shy on YouTube. Why are you on here? But do you see those curls? Do you see this coat?
Do you see this coat? Man, come on, man.
I had to slow it. Do you see that? Like, do you see that? And the thing is, this takes me like 10 minutes to do. Like, you don't even need to spend too much time trying to achieve this. But that is it. If you like it, like this video, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next.